In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image. So I have the image on the screen that I had previously rotated, and now I'm ready to crop it so that it is only extending to this 8 by 8 square that I had drawn. So you can use more guidelines. I have a guideline here from the previous step, and I could move these to sort of give myself some references for how far I'm going to crop, or you can just go directly to the crop tool. All right, so the crop tool is right here on the toolbar. You can also just press C and it will allow you to manipulate the image with cropping. So I can just bring this down, and again, it is working with those guidelines, but again, you can just sort of drag it to where you need it to be. Once it's cropped to the extent that you'd like it to be cropped, click on done, and that's all there is to it. You can just check the edges to make sure that there's no like white slivers or something like that if you filled with color all the way to the edge, and you can always crop it a little bit more if necessary. So basically that's all that's involved with the function of cropping, at least for the purposes of cropping the images, the rendered images for this assignment.